a short little clip that I wanted to show you. And in this beaker here, they have some ice, and they got a thermometer in the ice, and it's a digital thermometer. So as the ice heats, it's going to record and graph the temperature right here. So you can see that the ice is really cold. It's starting off at right here at negative 20.7, and so as they warm it, it's sitting on a hot plate here. As they warm it, the ice is going to warm up until its melting point. Now, because the ice is on a hot plate, some of this ice here, where the thermometer is not touching, is going to melt first. But, in the big chunk, we're going to see what happens as the solid warms. So the cold ice is warming up. Now it's at negative 4.6 degrees Celsius, so this block is getting close to the melting point. And you can see here, as it gets to 0 degrees, and if you look carefully at this graph, it's at 0 right now, this piece of ice is finally, the whole thing has warmed up until it's at 0 degrees. And you can see now that it's starting to melt. The temperature is remaining constant. Okay, now as it completely melts, okay, and it mixes in with this warmer water, we're getting a little bit of a reading here of the water that was on the outside of the block of ice. Okay. Now the cold water is starting to warm. So as it shows us the cold water, it is warming. Now it's at 81 degrees. As it starts to boil and vaporize, the temperature is remaining constant.